Thank you very much, Mr. President, for your kind comments. Let me, before I invite the Executive Secretary of SADC to read the final summary of our deliberations, let me take this opportunity on behalf of the government and people of Kenya to thank all the participants, Your Excellency President Mnangagwa, the facilitators, ministers present, special envoys who are here, members of the P5, and all the other observers who are here. And to underscore the importance of this meeting and this process, the situation in DRC continues to be dire. There is a humanitarian situation, there is a serious security situation, and instability that is not only affects Eastern DRC, not only affects DRC and Rwanda, but also affects our region. And that is the reason why we took the step as heads of state and government of EAC and SADC to present this matter to the Summit of the Africa Union in January this year, after the two processes, the Nairobi process and the Luanda process, achieved some results, but were not sufficient to deal with the situation in Eastern DRC. Our proposal to the Africa Union Summit of Heads of State was endorsed to merge the processes into one coherent process, and instructed that EAC SADC undertake that exercise, which we have done. And today marks a turning point that there is now one African-led process that brings on board all the other initiatives, Nairobi, Luanda, and any other initiative, into one coherent process on the situation in Eastern DRC. We have also merged not just the structure, we have also merged the terms of reference, and we have also merged the secretariats, and provided for a coherent mechanism of putting together the necessary resources so that any actor who want to participate in this exercise now knows where to take any other initiative. And also, whenever we need any resources, and whoever is willing to participate in this process by way of contributing resources of whatever nature, now have a coherent mechanism under the Africa Union with one secretariat to be able to undertake this process. This process is not in any way competing or in conflict with the other processes in Doha and Washington. In fact, we believe with this process now, the Washington Agreement or Peace Accord and the agreement in Qatar find a mechanism of alignment with the African-led process, find a place of facilitating coordination and implementation in the process that has now been merged into the African process. And now we have an opportunity as Africa, and with the participation of the international community, to provide the necessary mechanism for the resolution of the challenges that we have: humanitarian, security, and all other matters, including the serious issues of root causes of the problem in Eastern DRC that will see the final resolution of this process using dialogue as an instrument. And as has been said, the mediator, the facilitators now have clarity and all other supporting initiatives have clarity on how we take this forward. Thank you very much for your participation, ladies and gentlemen, Excellencies, heads of state and government. I now take this opportunity to ask the Executive Secretary of SADC to read the final communique of this meeting. I thank you. Mr.